अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम एफएससी बायोलॉजी पार्ट 1 के चैप्टर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन की ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को यहाँ पे देखेंगे। वो मारूसी वो एमसीक्यूज जो बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत रखते हैं इम्तिहानी नुक्ता नज़र से, आज हम उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स इवॉल्व्ड 3000 मिलियन ईयर एगो which is present in all cells whether prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Cell membrane is present in all cells whether prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. Any change can have drastic and long lasting effect in simple community. Ecosystem is composed of a community along with environment. Which one are the most abundant animal species on earth? Insects are the most abundant animal species on earth. Isolation of normal genes and insertion into host through bone marrow is called gene therapy. The life of freshwater of Pakistan is towards decline. Bioremediation is the removal or degradation of environmental pollutants or toxic materials by living organisms. The exhaust from automobile is adding lead into the atmosphere. A species of plants and animals which, if not protected, would soon be extinct. Endangered species. Total number of species of organisms is 5 to 30 millions. Identified species of organisms are 2.5 millions. The theory that may suggest new and different hypotheses is called productive theory. Cretaceous, Jurassic and Triassic are periods of Mesozoic era. Growing of terrestrial plants in aerated water is known as hydroponic culture technique. Dash is a national problem in Pakistan. Environmental pollution is a national problem in Pakistan. Evolving the population of organisms living in the remote past is phyletic lineage. The number and variety of a species in a place is called biodiversity. The percentage of carbon in human body is 18%. The percentage of oxygen in human body is 65%. The percentage of hydrogen in human body is 10%. The percentage of nitrogen in human body is 3%. The percentage of calcium in human body is 2%. The percentage of phosphorus in human body is 1%. Toxicity and chances of insects becoming resistant are hazards of chemical control. Animals other than insects are dash percent. कितने परसेंट है इंसेक्ट के अलावा? 19.9%. Insects are 53.1%. Vascular plants are 17.6%. Fungi, algae, protozoa and various prokaryotes are about 9.4%. Control of organisms using all relevant methods with the participation of community is called integrated disease management. Pollution of heavy metal is reduced by which organisms? Pollution of heavy metal is reduced by algae. Permian is a geological period of Paleozoic era. Transgenic plants can be propagated by cloning. In human body, potassium is present in 0.35%. In human body, sulfur is present in 0.25%. In human body, sulfur is present in 0.25%. In human body, chlorine is present in 0.15%. In human body, sodium is present in 0.15%. In human body, magnesium is present in 0.05%. In human body, iron is present in 0.004%. More than one population of different species form community. A group of similar cells that perform a specific function is called tissue. Plants having foreign DNA incorporated into their cells are called transgenic plants. Who first of all developed the technique of vaccination? Edward Jenner. In human body, only 6 bioelements accounts for 99%. A molecule which is large with high molecular weight is called macromolecule. Deductive reasoning move from general to specific. Inductive reasoning move from specific to general. Which organisms are used as biopesticides? Bacteria are used as biopesticides. Biological substances which kill or retard the growth of microorganisms is an antibiotics. Hydroponic culture technique is used in plants for studying the mineral requirement of plants. The exhaust from tanneries is adding chromium into atmosphere. Total number of naturally occurring chemical elements are 92. A large regional community primarily determined by climate is biome. The living substances of living being is called protoplasm. Population of different species living in the same habitat form a community. The branch of biology deals with the structure of organisms is called morphology. The tentative explanation of observation is called hypothesis. Structure within the cell that performs a specific function is organelle. The organisms which can freely interbreed and can produce fertile offsprings are called species. Preservation of milk and milk products occurred by pasteurization. An aphid that attack walnut tree is being controlled biologically by wasps. The most recent era is Cenozoic era. A structure normally composed of several tissues types that perform a functional unit is called organ. Muscle tissue is specialized for contraction. In 1997, scientists in Scotland succeeded in cloning a sheep. Attributes of populations are gene frequency, gene flow, age distribution, population density, population pressure are the attributes of population. Study of fossils to find the evolutionary history of a group is called phylogeny. In radiotherapy, cancerous part is exposed to short wave radiations from the radioactive material repeatedly at regular intervals. A statement made from a hypothesis which has been tested by many experiments is called theory. If a theory survives skeptical approach and continues to be supported by experimental evidences, it becomes a scientific law. The technique of vaccination was first developed in 1795 by Edward Jenner. Administering certain anti-cancer chemicals to patients at regular intervals is called chemotherapy. A technique for achieving eugenic aim is called cloning. Thanks for watching, and for more MCQs please subscribe.